Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Bus Simulator Ultimate Google Play login problem. All right, let's begin. If you are having trouble logging into Bus Simulator Ultimate, start by ensuring your internet connection is stable. Unstable or slow connectivity is often the primary cause of login failures. Consider switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, make sure you are not using a VPN. Running a VPN in the background can significantly slow down your connection and interfere with the login process. You should also check the Google Play Store for any available updates for the game. If an update is present, install it and restart the app. If the problem persists, try clearing the app cache. Long press the Bus Simulator Ultimate icon, tap the iInfo icon, and then choose Clear Cache. Finally, if none of these steps work, perform a full restart of your mobile device. A fresh restart can often clear up minor software glitches, preventing a successful Google Play login. So that's basically how you can fix Bus Simulator Ultimate Google Play login problem. That's it for this video. Thanks.